Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Becky and today I am really quite excited about sharing with you the Walkabout Quilt Along. So this is the quilt that you see behind me. It features all kinds of different blocks that you might see as you are walking about in your neighborhood. So this quilt along is all about giving you an opportunity for a little bit of movement as well as a little bit of sewing. So every day you will get an email letting you know what block you're going to be sewing, where the video is, and how you can get the PDF download. This is free to join, so watch the description below. Make sure you click it, take a look at it, and of course, sign up. There is an option for you to pick up the Walkabout as a workshop style. So all the video tutorials, all the PDF downloads will be in one place. So giving you an opportunity to hop in and out on your own schedule, on your own time, without having to search Facebook or anywhere else the videos might be. And of course, I have to invite you to my online quilt group, which is Patchworkers Plus, where you will have immediate access to the pattern library, the replays, as well as our monthly guest. We get to chat with designers from around the world, trunk shows, some of them do demos, and we get to see behind the scenes in their sewing space. You'll also have access to our private community where we connect, share pictures, show and tell, as well as have monthly meetups. Inside Patchworkers Plus, we also have 90 sews where we take your big, huge, long list of what you want to sew for the year and plan it out in a 90-day calendar. Again, check the description. Make sure you sign up for our Walkabout Quilt Along. Get all the dates, the schedule, the information, and make sure you sign up so you don't miss one step as we walk about together. I wanted to just give you a little bit of behind the scenes or why I designed this Walkabout Quilt Along. So as quilters, we love to sew. Not only that, we spend a lot of time in our seats or in our sewing room. And our typical exercise is walking back and forth from the cutting mat area to our ironing area to our sewing area. So I wanted to take just a little bit of time and put something together that not only gives you an opportunity to move, maybe walk, but also to sew, maybe as a reward for getting out there and doing something. As you pick up the PDFs and look through them, you are going to find tracking sheets, not only for your sewing, but also for a movement. Consistency is what we are looking for. So however you move is great. It's perfect. And it's really up to you as to what you want to do. My goal personally is to walk at least 30 minutes a day outside if I can do it. Inside is acceptable to me as I do have a small treadmill. But if you have an exercise bike or you're into jogging or hiking or whatever you do, just be consistent. I'm not claiming to be a professional here. I'm not saying you're going to lose a ton of weight. That really isn't what this is about. This is about being consistent and movement consistently. So check out the PDFs, download them. Make sure you begin starting to gather your materials. There's a coloring sheet for you to check out, as well as make sure you print off those pages where you can track your movement as well as track your sewing. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited about the quilt. I still need to get it quilted, but I do have the top done so I can show it off. So take a look at it if it's something you're interested in. I'm really excited that you are going to be joining us and to see how your quilt comes together.